In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide birthday on LinkedIn. If you prefer to keep your profile focused on your work, tightening who can see your birthday is a smart move, and it only takes a minute. We'll adjust a single visibility setting inside your profile's contact info so your birthday is visible to you only. Start on your LinkedIn feed after you sign in. At the top of the page, open the Me menu. It's the one with your profile photo. From that menu, choose View Profile to go straight to your profile page. On your profile, look near your profile picture for the small pencil icon that opens the Edit panel. Click that pencil to open the editor for your introduction section. Inside this panel, locate the contact info area. You'll see a second pencil icon next to it. Click that as well to open the contact information window. In the contact info window, scroll until you see the birthday details section. This area controls who can see your birthday and whether LinkedIn announces it to others. Next to the visibility option, you'll likely see that it's set to your network. Click that visibility menu to open the choices, then select Only You. Choosing Only You completely hides your birthday from everyone else on LinkedIn while still keeping the date saved in your account. After selecting Only You, confirm the change by clicking Save. If you like, briefly reopen the contact info window to make sure it now displays Only You under birthday. A couple of quick tips. The path is similar on mobile. Go to your profile, open the editor, tap contact info, find birthday, set it to Only You, then save. If you don't see birthday details, it may be because you haven't added a birthday yet. Once the field exists, you can still keep it private by setting the visibility to Only You. Also, remember, switching to Only You prevents birthday reminders from being shown to your connections, helping your profile stay professional and reducing notifications that don't serve your goals. And that's it. Your birthday is now hidden on LinkedIn. If this walkthrough helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more clear, no fluff LinkedIn tips and tutorials.